Bullish Theta organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.17 and $7.88 by 2030. Market examiners accept Theta could reach $3.25 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is 74 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local digital money is likewise called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two kinds of hubs on the Theta organization: customary hubs and asset-rich watchman hubs. Customary hubs acquire compensations for sharing their assets, while gatekeeper hubs procure significantly bigger prizes for confirming blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the critical highlights of the Theta network is its utilization of edge reserving. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client instead of at a unified area. This decreases dormancy and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferable streaming encounter over conventional CDNs. One more significant component of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with negligible effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web blockage by dispersing traffic among various ways at the same time. How Theta functions. The primary thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video real-time stage like YouTube or Jerk, it's likewise a decentralized organization fueled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share transfer speed and figuring assets on a P2P premise. All in all, Theta is intended to be a more productive and decentralized approach to real-time video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are essentially PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can lessen idleness and work on streaming quality. While Theta's mainnet deals with an agreement instrument that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards, the stage gives top-notch streams low inactivity, and clients can acquire compensations for giving data transmission assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. Theta value conjecture. The Theta organization vows to change the manner in which we transfer video by decentralizing information conveyance and offering clients awards for sharing their data transmission assets. The local digital currency of the organization is Theta token, which can be utilized to approve exchanges and stake in the organization. I'll see Theta's cost expectations for 2022 and then some. Theta has previously taken incredible steps since its send-off. The mainnet has gone live and sent off big business conferencing with Samsung VR. These victories have prompted a positive cost pattern for Theta all through the vast majority of 2020 and 2021. Looking forward, there are a few impetuses that could keep on driving the cost of Theta vertical. In the first place, the reception of 5G will work on streaming quality and lead to additional top-notch streams being conveyed over Theta's decentralized organization. Second, as additional organizations embrace Endeavor conferencing fueled by Theta, interest for Theta will increment. At last, as the crypto market keeps on developing, financial backers will progressively see Theta as a decent long-haul speculation because of its solid basics. Theta organization current cost. Theta organization is presently worth 92 cents USD. Theta has moved 1.00% as of now with an exchanging volume of $49,470,547. Theta organization is presently positioned 48 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $927,368,505 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Theta organization value expectation 2023. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Theta cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.39. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.30 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.11. Theta organization value forecast 2024. In 2024, Theta organization Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.32. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Theta's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market instability. Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.85 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.04. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.25 and Theta might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.97 and a low of $2.78 in 2025. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Theta Organization effectively supports market opinion among digital money aficionados, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.17, with a base cost of $3.71 and a typical cost of $3.89. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.82 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.64 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Theta has a greatest value worth of $5.10. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.75. In the event that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.03. Neglecting to accumulate the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.56. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $6.49 and a yearly cost close above $6.96 in 2029. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Theta Organization will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $7.42 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $7.88, averaging out at $7.60. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Theta cost in 2031 is projected to be $9.09 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $8.72. And the ongoing Theta Organization cost depends on an investigation of numerous elements, including specialized pointers and late market patterns. In view of our estimates, we accept that the Theta Organization coin cost will keep on ascending soon and arrive at new all-time highs. What is the Theta Organization